Today we're making one of the most overlooked yet sexiest potato dishes of all time, fondant potatoes. It's luxuriously buttery, juicy-loosey and fantastically delicious for your happiness. And more importantly, quick and easy to make, even if you've never cooked potatoes before. Which brings us to potatoes. Luckily for us, most varieties makes a great fondant potato. So we're not getting boring today. To start, we use a knife or metal cutter to punch out potato cylinders like these. Yukon Gold is my favorite all-rounder. It's best to use large potatoes to get nice, tall and plump cylinders. Enough for two, if you know what I mean. Get them into water to rinse off some starch and avoid them from turning brown. The trim can be used for roasting, boiling, mashing, frying, or if you have a limited imagination and a somewhat lazy nature, to feed the bin. Once these are all lovingly shaped or cut out, dry them on paper towel or anything else like a kitchen cloth, as long as it's not the same one you used to wipe the spilled ketchup off the floor earlier. Heat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you grab your favorite pan. In my case, a stolen or borrowed stainless steel one. Heat up the pan on medium heat first, then add a few tablespoons of olive oil. And optionally, but extremely necessary, a few sprigs of thyme. As well as not optionally, some salt. We season and flavor as we go. It's the right thing to do. Add the potatoes and fry them both sides until beautifully brown and looking somewhat attractive. Once these are all looking fine, we add one stick, half a cup or 150 grams of butter. Add some more thyme, or if you wish, some crushed garlic cloves. Skin on. Let the butter foam and brown a bit. You can tell when it's ready when it's smelling nice and nutty and nothing is burnt yet. Next, we add 240 grams or 1 cup of chicken stock, mainly to make sure it's vegan for carnivores. Otherwise, beef stock or vegetable stock is also fine. Bring it to a gentle simmer and baste the potatoes with this buttery golden liquid, as well as give it a good old grinding of fresh black pepper. Place it into the oven for 25 minutes, basting a few times while cooking. Once done, they'll look like you want to devour them, live in them, or even be them. Serve with whatever makes you happy, but most importantly, go have a nice life.